If you're thinking about selling your home in San Jose, there's a number you need to know before you do anything else. And it's not your home's value, it's what you're actually going to walk away with. Because that gap between those two numbers is bigger than most people expect. So today I'm going to break down every single cost, line by line, with real San Jose numbers, no guessing. I'm Kip Barnard with the Barnard Group here at Compass in San Jose, and I've been selling homes in this market for over 2 decades. And the number one thing I see catch sellers off guard isn't the market, and it isn't the offers, it's the net sheet. That moment where they see what they're actually taking home after everything is paid. So today I'm going to walk you through every cost in the order you'll actually encounter them, show you the math on 2 real price points, and make sure you know exactly what to expect before you start that process. Selling a home in San Jose has 2 categories of costs, and they hit at different times. First, there's the money you spend before the home ever hits the market. This is like staging, repairs, inspections. That's coming out of your pocket up front. And if by chance you don't have money to prepare your home and your home needs it, we have a great program called Compass Concierge where we will loan you $60,000 up front with a flat $750 fee at the end that comes out of escrow once the home is sold. I've made a couple other videos on that, so be sure to check those out if that's something you need, or feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to break it down. Then there's the closing costs. Now those are commission, transfer taxes, title, and escrow. Those come off the top when the sale closes. Combined, you're looking at roughly 6 to 8% of your sale price in total costs. So if you sell for $1.5 million, you're not walking away with $1.5 million. So let me show you what you're actually keeping. We'll start with the costs you'll face first. So before your home ever hits the market, there are costs that come out of your pocket. And this is the money you spend to get the home ready to sell. You have pre-listing inspections, and I strongly recommend sellers get a home inspection, a pest inspection, roof, and perhaps a chimney and a foundation inspection if those are necessary. And I do those before hitting the market. So I would figure about $1,500 to $2,500 for the full suite. Now, this isn't just a cost, it's a risk reduction strategy. You find the problems before the buyer does, you control the narrative, and you avoid deals falling apart in escrow. I've seen too many transactions blow up because the seller didn't know about a problem until the buyer's inspector found it. And here in Northern California, buyers have come to expect it. I have seen them quickly lose interest in homes that don't have pre-inspections available in the disclosure package. Then you have pre-sale repairs and improvements. Now this is a wild card. Some homes need up to $5,000 in paint and minor fixes, stuff like that. Some may need $25,000 to $40,000 because they have a lot of deferred maintenance. Now I've done a lot of videos on which repairs actually pay off and which ones are a waste of money, so I'll link those down below. But the smart move is always the same. Get your agent involved before you spend a dime. A good agent will walk your home and tell you exactly what's worth fixing and what's not. So next up is staging. In San Jose, professional staging runs anywhere roughly between $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the size of your home and how long you need that staging furniture in there. A 3-bedroom in Cambrian, you're probably looking at $35,000 to $5,000. A larger home in Willow Glen or Almaden, closer to $6,000 to $8,000. So before you even list, you could be spending anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 depending on the condition of your home. Now that's real money, and it comes before a single buyer ever walks through your door. Now let's talk about what happens at the closing table. The biggest line item, agent commissions. What I see on the vast majority of deals here, and this even held true when I was in management overseeing hundreds of transactions, is 5% total. That's roughly 2.5% of your listing agent and 2.5% offered as a cooperating commission to the buyer's agent in the offer. Could it be more? Could it be less? Sure. Commissions are negotiable, but 5% is what I see on most deals in this market. Now I know there's been a lot of noise about commissions since the NAR settlement, and here's what's actually changed in practice. Commissions have always been negotiable, and that hasn't changed. What changed is how they're disclosed and how buyers' agents get paid. But for you as a seller, the day-to-day reality is largely the same. On a $1.5 million sale at 5%, that's $75,000. On a $2.5 million sale, $125,000. Now, that's real money, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you it isn't. But here's what I will tell you. The difference between a good agent and a bad agent isn't the commission rate. It's the sale price and how well your agent protects you. If a 1% discount on commission costs you 3% on your sale price because their marketing is weak or the pricing was off, you just lost money trying to save money. And I see this happen constantly. And if you're thinking about selling without an agent to save on commission, I've actually done a whole video breaking down what that looks like in practice. I'll link it down below. It's worth watching before you make that decision. So budget 5% for planning purposes. But don't make your agent decision based on who charges the least. Make it based on who nets you the most and who can actually protect you from future litigation. This is where San Jose gets expensive, and it's the section most sellers don't see coming. You've got 3 layers of transfer tax when you sell in San Jose. Layer 1 is the county transfer tax. Santa Clara County charges $1.10 per $1,000 off the sale price. On a $1.5 million home, that's $1,650. Not a big deal. Layer 2, City of San Jose transfer tax. The total tax is split 50-50 between the buyer and the seller. That's customary here. On a $1.5 million home, the seller's half is $2,475. On a $2.5 million home, it's $4,125. Layer 3, Measure E tax, and here's where it really matters. If your home sells for more than $2.3 million, Measure E kicks in. That threshold went up from $2 million effective July 2025. The total Measure E tax rate for sales between $2.3 million and $5 million is 0.75%. It's customary for the buyer and seller to split that, so your share as the seller is typically half. But it is negotiable, so depending on how the deal is structured, you could end up paying more or you could end up paying less. Let me make that real. If you sell a home for $2.5 million, the customary seller's half of the Measure E tax is $9,375. And the county and city transfer taxes on top of that, and your total transfer tax bill as the seller is about $16,250. And that's a meaningful number. So if you're selling under $2.3 million, Measure E doesn't apply. That's a threshold worth knowing, especially if you're selling your home right around that number. So be clear, I'm not giving you a political opinion on Measure E. I'm giving you the math. And the math says this is a cost you need to plan for. Title insurance and escrow fees are the next line items. In Santa Clara County, the seller typically pays for the homeowner's title insurance policy and the escrow fee. On a $1.5 million sale, title insurance runs $3,326 and escrow is about $2,225,000. You've also got a notary fee around $150, so your title and escrow block is roughly $5,700. On a $2.5 million home, title insurance is $4,286. Escrow is $2,800 plus the notary. That's about $7,236,000. Now, these aren't the numbers that shock people, but they're real line items on your net sheet. There are a few more line items that round out the closing costs. Disclosure report, $80. The 593 form, $45. That's the California withholding form. Geo and environmental reports, $130. Small numbers individually, but everything adds up. And the point of this video is to make sure you know what every line item is before you see it on your net sheet for the very first time. So let's put this all together. I ran these numbers through the same title company software I use on real transactions, so these are really good estimates. Scenario A, $1.5 million sale in San Jose. Commission at 5%, $75,000. That's $37,500 each side. Transfer taxes, $4,125 total. County at $1,650, city at $2,475. No Measure E tax because we're under the $2.3 million threshold. Title, escrow, and notary, $5,701. Add in the disclosure report, the 593 form, and geo report, and your total closing costs come to $85,081. On a $1.5 million sale, you're walking away with about $1,419,000. And remember, that's before any prep costs you spent getting the home ready. Now, let's look at a higher price point where Measure E changes the picture entirely. Scenario B, $2.5 million sale in San Jose, commission at 5%, $125,000. Transfer taxes, $16,250. County at $2,750, city at $4,125, and Measure E at $9,375 for the seller's customary half. That Measure E line is the one that surprises people. Title, escrow, and notary, $7,236, and your total closing costs of $148,741. On a $2.5 million sale, you're walking away with about $2,358,000 from the closing table. Again, that's before whatever you spent on prep. So what's the total picture? On a $1.5 million home, you're spending $10,000 to $30,000 getting it ready. Then about $85,000 comes off at closing. On a $2.5 million home, similar prep costs, about $149,000 at closing. But here's what I really want you to hear. Every cost I just walked you through, those are largely fixed. You can't negotiate your way out of transfer taxes. Title and escrow fees are what they are. The one variable that actually determines whether you walk away happy or leave money behind is the sale price. And the sale price comes down to preparation, pricing, strategy, and marketing. That's where the real money is made or lost. I've done a ton of videos breaking down those strategies, and I'll link the most important ones below. If you're serious about selling, those are worth your time. My name is Kip, and I've been a licensed broker for over 20 years here in Silicon Valley. Now, besides being a top producer, I've sat on the ethics committee here for over a decade, and I've also managed and grown an office for the #1 brokerage in the country, overseeing billions of dollars in sales. And what I love more than anything is helping buyers and sellers here in Silicon Valley. And if you're thinking about selling in San Jose, Willow Glen, Cambrian, or anywhere in the South Bay, I can run a custom net sheet for your specific home with your actual numbers. No obligation, no pitch, just the math so you can plan. The link's in the description, or you can just reach out directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.